Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change network passwords on Cudy AX1800. Let's begin! Currently I am on Cudy.net. You have to go into this website on the device that is currently connected to the Cudy network. Then you want to go to the general settings, head to wireless, and make sure that Smart Connect is disabled. Here you can see we have basically two sets of settings. We have settings for 2.4G wireless settings and for 5G. Depending on what you want to basically change, you can click here on the eye in order to see current password, and if you want to edit it you can just simply remove it and input something else if you want to. Same thing goes with 2.4 GHz wireless network. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.